Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee, naturally. And today I ask you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. One action, you burn 0.00 calorie and it takes less than 1 second of your time. Click, press, and subscribe. Today I want to introduce you Polkadot. It's live. Polkadot, it's live. I heard a lot this name lately or noise about it. I put it on my potential subjects to talk about it, and I decided today I need to talk about Polkadot. So I read for about 45 minutes, 1 hour prior to shoot this video, and I'm going to show you in sections what you can expect from Polkadot. I don't know if my spelling is good, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So basically, Polkadot development is on track to deliver the most robust platform, my friend, for security, scalability, and innovation. Currently, Polkadot is on the governance and removing pseudo phase from launch. Oh no, phase of launch, sorry. See the roadmap. What is the roadmap? Let's go jump to the scene. No, you want to see the roadmap? No. Let's go skip that section. Because the roadmap doesn't matter at this point. So we need to see real thing from Polkadot to be able to judge if it's worth or not. So let's go continue. The interoperability. Polkadot enables cross-blockchain transfer of any type of data of asset, not just tokens. Connecting to Polkadot gives you the ability to interoperate with a wide variety of blockchains and the Polkadot network. So basically, Polkadot, what they want to do, accomplish, you have the central point and all permissionless blockchain or private or whatever the component, they can talk to each other. This is the definition of interoperability in the crypto spheres, my friend. Economic and transactional scalability. Polkadot provides unprecedented economic scalability by enabling a common set of validators to secure multiple blockchains. Polkadot provides transaction scalability by spreading transactions across multiple parallel blockchain, my friend. So you mean you're going to have multitude of blockchain. Easy blockchain innovation. Strange. What is it exactly? Create a custom blockchain in minutes using the Substrate framework. Connect your chains to Polkadot and get interoperability and security from day one. This easy of blockchain development help Polkadot's networks grow. So they have a Substrate network. I'm going to show you the Substrate network, but I'm just finished this section first. Forkless and future-proof. Forkless. Polkadot can upgrade without hard fork to integrate new features to bug fix. This capability enables Polkadot to easily adapt to change and upgrade itself as better technologies become available. So this is really important because just to check on the Ethereum, just to plan Ethereum 2.0, it takes months, energy, and time consuming just to be able to make it better. But now with this kind of technology, if it's work or not, I don't know, I never see it. Forkless and features, so you can apply a fix, a bug, a patch, or whatever the reason, and apply it right away on your blockchain, and it's work, and you can upgrade forkless and feature proof. This is cool. I need some coffee in the meantime. Coffee. And please subscribe to my awesome channel, Crypto and Coffee, on YouTube, my friend. One action and you make me happy. Security for everyone. Polkadot novel data availability and validity scheme allows chains to interact with each other in a meaningful way. Chains remain independent in their governance but united in their security. Strong security is really important for any asset or everything that are related to the crypto spheres. because they have an economic value, and this is important. User-driven network governance. Polkadot has sophisticated governance system where all stakeholders together have a voice, so your voice means something. Upgrades to the network and coordinate on-chain and enacted autonomously, ensuring that Polkadot development reflect the value of the community and avoid stagnation. Stagnation sucks. We need to grow and expand. So Polkadot want to have your voice to grow the protocol Polkadot. Learn more about Polkadot technology. As you can see here, the substrate, I'm going to show you what is a substrate. It's a really important component of Polkadot. Just to remember, easy blockchain innovation. So create a custom blockchain in minutes using the substrate framework. So I'm going to show you the substrate network, component, I mean, more precisely. Build your privacy blockchain, smart contract, finance, and Internet of Things, governance, is identity as well. Woo! Privacy, woo! So it's going in a loop. I don't want to click for cookies, so you just show this component here. Build any blockchain. Coffee, please. Psst, don't forget to subscribe, my friend. Crypto and Coffee on YouTube. Substrate comes with everything you need to build your blockchain. Use substrate palettes to easily create what you want or craft your own custom logic. Either way, substrate make building a blockchain far faster, easier, and safer than ever before. This is outstanding, my friend. It's like science fictions. Who knows? Open knowledge base. Are we going to skip that? So cross-language support with WebAssembly. WebAssembly is the next web standard. Write your blockchain logic in any language that you can compile to it. If you are familiar with C, C++, C#, TypeScript, and Rust, and many more, you write your code and what you understand, what you're knowledgeable about it. That's outstanding. Like client friendly. Substrate comes with a light client built-in from day one. Use your mobile ready blockchain anywhere. Ooh, that's outstanding. Forkless upgrade, I already talked about it. Upgrading blockchain has never been easier with Substrate. Everybody stay in the same path. Built-in coordination. Substrate comes with the tools to help network decide which upgrade to implement. Deterministic finality. Finality, what's that mean? Substrate grandpa. Oh, grandpa's great name. Algorithm reach and finalize consensus quickly across network, big and small. Finalities mean you're going to transactions going to be validated right away, probably in a few seconds. Who knows? I don't know. Seamless integration. Integrate your existing data, business logic, and other complex tasks into your blockchain with low overhead using off-chain workers. Get started. Open your Substrate playground. Ooh, playground. You're going to play that. It's cool. And create your first Substrate chains with a tutorial. So you can, if you're interested, I'm going to put the link of Substrate in the comment section of this video, my friend. So as you can see, you see the code. This is cool. Use SPST Prelude. I remember back in the day, about probably 25 years ago, when I did my course in C, I don't remember C, and I never like it to code personally, but anyway. So for people who love to develop, who write the code, you will love to play in the playground of Substrate.Dave, my friend. Use blockchain on Polkadot. Your Substrate blockchain is natively compatible with Polkadot, making it simple to secure your blockchain and communicate with Polkadot network. Your future-ready blockchain. With an open chain upgrade, a light client first design, and off-chain workers, your Substrate blockchain is ready for whatever the future brings. Integrate the latest innovation using forkless update and transparent decision making. Team are choosing Substrate, determining finality, speed, and implementation. Easy to use. Learn why Substrate is the choice to team building the next generation of decentralizing apps and infrastructure. Polymath, Centrifuge, Chainlink, Kill Protocol, use Polkadot. Your blockchain ecosystem. Learn Substrate, join the growing community, get support, so you have a variety, and you can as well join the newsletters. Let's go back to the main page of Polkadot. So we're going to learn more about Polkadot technology, discover Polkadot. This is technology part of it. So basically, this is the technology part of it. A scalable, interoperable, and secure network protocol for the next web. GitHub, latest version history, documentation, and riot chat. So this is cool. Any type of data across type of blockchain. Polkadot is a network protocol that allows arbitrary data, not just token, to be transferred across blockchain. I need some coffee. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. 1 second of your time, and it's mean a lot for me. Polkadot, so this means Polkadot is a true multi-chain application environment where things like cross-chain registries and cross-chain computation as possible. Polkadot can transfer this data across public, open, permissionless blockchain as well as private permissioned blockchain. So you have a central hub that's called Polkadot, and everything together they can communicate. And this is outstanding. We need that at the moment of development of blockchain technology. Interoperability. I don't know if I spelled it well, this word, but anyway. Polkadot can transfer this data across, I heard that part. This makes it possible to build applications that get permissioned data from a private blockchain to use it on a public blockchain. For instance, a school private permissioned academic record chain could send a proof of degree verification smart contract on a public chain. So a permissioned with a permissionless can communicate together. This is cool. The futures of blockchain. Everyone that's built an application or the app, or even for the business world, they need to expect that kind of use case, or the necessity to be able to transact over permissionless and permission net blockchain together. Network ghostly. Polkadot unique a network of heterogeneous blockchain called parachains and parathread. These chains connect to and are secured by Polkadot Relay Chain. Relay Chain is an important component of Polkadot. They can also connect with external network via bridge, and this is as well important. So you can connect to a bridge like Ethereum. I'm going to talk about it in a few seconds. So Relay Chain. So the component, if you want to dig into Polkadot, Relay Chain is really important. The heart of Polkadot, responsible for the network shared security, consensus, and cross-chain interoperability. Parachain, sovereign blockchains that can have their own tokens and optimize their functionality for specific use cases. Parathread, similar to parachain but with a pay-as-you-go model, more economical for blockchains that don't need continuous connectivity to the network. I need a pause. I need to take some coffee. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, Crypto and Coffee on YouTube. Bridge. Allow parachain and parathread to communicate with external network like Ethereum and Bitcoin. So bridge is an important concept. So you need to remember bridges and relay chains. Consensus roles. Nominators secure the relay chains by selecting trustworthy validators and staking dots. Validators secure the relay chains by staking, so you're going to have an incentive. You stake your coin, and then you make interest from it. Validating proof from collectors, and participating in consensus with other validators. Collectors maintain shard by collecting shard transactions from users and producing proofs for validators. Fishermen, hey, I'm going to catch a fish. Catch on, fish coming down, fish coming up. Monitors the network and report bad behavior to validators. Collator and any parachain full node can perform the fisherman rules. I want to fish, my friend. I want to find a bad actor and need some coffee. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. Governance roles. Council member elected to represent passive stakeholders and two primary governance roles: proposing referenda and vetoing dangerous or malicious referenda. I don't know exactly what that means. That's a jargon, but anyway, the slang. But if you get involved over time, people is going to learn more about it. Technical committee, composed of team actively building Polkadot, can propose emergency referenda together with the council for fast-tracked voting and implementation. So together, you can build or upgrade or spread or name it, involve the protocol of Polkadot together, and technical committee and council member. Build with the best technology. Polkadot substrate, I already described it, so you can develop your own blockchain with your own rules and simple, easily, and with a fast track records or fast in peace, like we're driving a car. So Lib P2P was me. Why not Wasabi? Would be more sexy. It's cool to put a name that is more appealing. Wasmi. It's not so bad, but Wasabi is more appropriate, I believe. No, I'm just kidding. Wasmi, Lib P2P, and Rust. So build with the best technology. Polkadot really chain is built with substrate that I already mentioned in it. A blockchain builder framework that is the distillation of parity technologies, learning, building Ethereum, Bitcoin, and enterprise blockchains. Polkadot state machine is component to WebAssembly WASM, a super performant virtual environment. WASM is developed by major companies including Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Mozilla that have created a large ecosystem to support for the standard. So you work with the standard of a big name out there that probably the most of the industry is going to use it. I'm pretty sure probably a lot of books is already writing on WASM, how to use it. Polkadot networking use Lib P2P, a flexible cross-chain platform network framework for peer-to-peer applications, positioned to be the standard for future decentralized application. Lib2P handles the peer discovery and communication in the Polkadot ecosystem. So I need to dig about it. Never heard about Lib P2P. So this will become a standard. Polkadot. Okay, so the Polkadot runtime environment is being coded in Rust, C++, and Golang. Never heard about Rust and Golang, making Polkadot accessible to a wide range of developers. So sometimes a developer can be very knowledgeable about Rust, but don't want to plan to learn about C++ and Golang, so they can work right away in Polkadot environment. Processing data, transactions, and parallel. Processing transactions in parallel. So I need some coffee to make a pause. Parachains are specialized blockchains that connect to Polkadot. They will have characteristics specialized for use case and the ability to control their own governance. So every parachains will be independent to each other, but they can communicate with each other. It's pretty cool, I'm afraid, with the frame relay, I believe, if I read already. Interaction on parachain are processing in parallel, enabling highly scalable system. Transactions can be spread out across the chains, allowing many transactions to be processed in the same period of time. So the old-fashioned way to do things, current method, single transaction, but with Polkadot method, parallelized transactions. They work all together, so it's faster. It's like to running like to be in rocket and go to the moon. Groundbreaking technology. Polkadot is solving many of the problems that have held back blockchain technology so far. all in one place without compromising. A better security model. In proof of work and proof of stake system, blockchain compete with each other over resources to secure the network. And blockchain are easily attacked until they develop a significant community to support the network, because you need a lot. The more node you have, the more decentralized you are, the more secure the network. But in that case, they find another way on Polkadot. Polkadot take a different approach by letting blockchain pool their security, which means that the blockchain security is aggregated and applied to all. By connecting Polkadot, blockchain developers can secure the blockchain from day one. I'm not quite sure how this is going to operate, but it's very intriguing from my point of view. So they're pulling all together. I'm not quite sure how this thing is working. Transparent on-chain governance. Update to the protocol happen fork free, and this is important. On-chain voting, so protocol development never stalled due to the lack of a clear process. Because sometimes, like a network, if you want to upgrade the Bitcoin or Ethereum, it take months, sometimes years, and debate and fight. Because the human species always like to have his own voice, and sometimes you not agree with people's, and not to upgrade something, it can be pain in the ass on a blockchain environment, especially when you have decentralization and decentralizations. So that token are used to participate in government decisions, including tabling proposal, voting, and bonding. Pirate chains are free to design their own governance mechanism, allowing for maximum freedom without affecting other pirate chains. Learn more about pirate chain. Grandpa, a trustworthy consensus algorithm. Polkadot used its original Grandpa ghost-based recursive ancestor delivery agreement consensus for a more secure and resilient network. Under good network condition, Grandpa can finalize block nearly instantly. Until under bad network condition, like network participant, Grandpa can finalize large quantities of block, theoretically millions at once when the partitions resolve. Learn more about Grandpa. I'm not going to dig into this one. The roadmap, as you can see, I'm going to skip that section because at this point it doesn't mean anything. So we need to see it live with the real actions. POR, NPOS, governance, and removing. So this is all acronym specifically a target with Polkadot. Enable balance transfer, enable core functionality. So I invite you to read that sections. So let's go back to the main section of Polkadot decentralization. Powering the Polkadot network. The DOT token serves three distinct purposes: governance over the network, staking, and bonding. Governance. Polkadot token holders have complete control over the network. All privileges, which on other platforms are exclusive to miners, will be given to the relay chain participant dot holders, including managing exceptional events such as protocol upgrade and fix. So you are someone, so you have some dot or the dot token, and you are a real member of the community. I need some coffee, have a pause. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. Staking. Game theory incentivizes token holders to behave in honest ways. Is really important to be honest. Good actors are rewarded by these mechanisms. Which list? Bad actor will lose the stake and the network. This ensures the network stays secure. You don't want to lose your stake, isn't it? Bonding. New pirate chains are added by bonding token. Updated or non-useful pirate chains are removing by removing bonding token. This is a form of proof of stake. Learn more about the dot. So I have the dot here. The dot token. The dot token can serve three distinct purposes: governance over the network, staking, and bonding. I already mentioned about governance, staking, and bonding. They have the fact. I'm going to put this thing as well, so you can dig into it. So because I don't want it to read all the questions, this is a small section, and then go back to the first section. An open source protocol built for everyone. Polkadot is an open source project funded by the Web3 Foundation. Web3 Foundation has commissioned 5 teams and over 100 developers to build Polkadot. 100. This is a big team, my friend. Founded by some of the blockchain industry foremost builders. Learn more about Polkadot team. I'm going to show you about Polkadot, a platform for Web3. Polkadot mission. We envision a web where our identity and our data is our own. That is important. Safely secure from any central authority. Polkadot will enable a completely decentralized web where users are in control. That's cool. Polkadot is built to connect private and consortium chains, public and permissionless network oracles for future technologies that are yet to be created. Polkadot facilitates an internet where independent blockchain can exchange information and transactions in a trustless way via the Polkadot relay chain. Pretty cool, isn't it? Polkadot makes it easier than ever to create and connect decentralized applications, services, and institutions by empowering innovations to build better solutions. We seek to free society from this reliance on a broken web where its large institutions can violate our trust, like Facebook, for an example. That is sell you data and give you and provide access for free at least. But you don't make money on Facebook. Learn more about the technology. I already covered these sections. Who built Polkadot? Polkadot is the flagship project Web3 Foundation, a Swift Foundation funding to facilitate a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. The Web3 Foundation is partnering with best-in-class entity to build Polkadot and foster development of the services and applications that will run on it. Researchers from NUR Paris and ETH Zurich, developers from Parity Technology and capital partners from crypto funds as Polychains Capital are working together to develop a superlative realization of Web3. Will Polkadot at its core? Web3 Foundation is providing grants for development of the ecosystem. If you have an idea and you want to enhance Polkadot, you can have some grant and work full-time probably in your project. So this is the founder team. Robert Myers, founders, Dr. Gavin Woods, and Peter Zansman. I don't know them personally, but if you want to read more about what they did, and the press with some the TechCrunch, Wall Street Journal, the Blog Daily, The Economist, Quendes, and Blueprint, they talk about this Polkadot. Get in touch with Jad and Curry from the blog, and they have a blog, so you want to stay in touch. So let's go back to the main point. A few of the team joining the Polkadot network. I need a coffee. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. 1 actions, and it's mean a lot to me. So a few of the team member Polkadot network, as you can see, they have a lot. Edgeware, Chainx, Centrifuge, Luminar, Alcada, Energy Web Foundations, Polymath. I know Polymath is based on security tokens. Doc, Chainlink I heard about because this is a huge pack lately. All people talk about Chainlink to the moon, $20, blah blah blah. And Ocean Protocol and Katan. I read this, the team building on Polkadot. So they have a variety of team building, Chainlink, Laminar, Aragon, and they have a bunch of variety. I'm going to put the link as well of this. Wallets, blockchain.com, Eman token, infrastructure, trolling, Polkadot implementation. So a lot of forks, a lot of company, a lot of projects are interested with this powerful technology. And to finish, you have some sort of the latest article from the blog. And as well, I just want to finish with the light paper. They have a light paper and a white paper. The white paper, for some reason, I just opened it. At the moment, the version is on draft 1.0, and it was really hard to scroll because probably is really packed in, and they have a lot of information. So I just wanted to propose you. I'm going to put the link as well of the light paper and the white paper in the comment section of this vlog. So let's go jump to the light paper and then introduction to Polkadot. So they have introduction, overview, Intergenous sharding, scalability, upgradability, transparent governance, question composability, Polkadot architecture, Polkadot consensus rule, Polkadot governance rule, the DOT token, custom network, substrate, about Web 3.0, about parity, frame of Polkadot, and contact. So this is a resume to a lot of what I already talked about, so I'm not plans to present the whole. I invite you to read it yourself and the white paper if you want to know more about it, the technology of it. And I just want to read the main line. Polkadot empowered the individual against much more powerful corporate and state actors. Less trust, more true. So this is the blockchain unbundling. Many chains, one network. Blockchain that grow. Future-proof your blockchain with forkless upgrade. Pretty cool, huh? Community powered. Collaborative by design. Connecting the dot. You know, with frame relay and bridge, like I already talked about it. The dot token, so you can governance taking and bonding. Play with chaos on customer Polkadot while cousin. Cool, huh? On the testnet, I believe you can test your ID. You blockchain is better. You blockchain upgrader. You blockchain, my friend, with substrate. Web foundation. So I invite you to read or like paper to save your time, or if you want to dig deeper, go with the full version of white paper, but it seems not finished at this stage. So I want to finish with the on CoinGecko, the Polkadot. For some strange, they're already $320, but mainnet deposited are enabled with withdrawal and not enabled for exchange yet. The DOT token will soon undergo a redenomination from its original sale. New DOT will be 100x smaller than DOT old. Therefore, your balance will be 100x higher and the price per DOT will be 100x lower. This is expected to take place around August 21. So the price will be much lower and more token will be in circulation, I believe. So where you can buy this token? You can buy on many exchanges, other BLRC, Gate, ZB, Altbit, Bitmart, Big1, Bitforex, UB Global, OKX, MXC, DragonX, Hobbit, Coinbase, BitZ, so WellX, BW. So you have a choice where you can buy this token on the free market. So at the meantime, if you like this kind of content, if you like to discover a project or to find a way to build your crypto wealth, I want to specialize especially to building your crypto wealth in the crypto spheres. That is one of the things that is appeal me the most, and sometimes to discover new technology that's going to revolutionize the blockchain space. We live in a great era right now. So Polkadot is going to provide a technology that have a great potentials to be adopted, hopefully, and probably the price can increase. I'm not a financial advisor. I just share what I find interesting in the space. And in the meantime, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto and Coffee. Come visit my outstanding website, shaysatoshi.com. I'm going to put it on the comment section of this video on the signature bottom. And subscribe. This is the more important because I want to monetize my YouTube channel, and this is an objective I push forward. I need to reach 4,000 hours of view and 1,000 followers. So help me to reach that goal. Subscribe is a lot. It's a lot of work, but I want to reach that point, my friend. Shay Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. See you on the next vlog video and have a great week ahead and have a great day. And thanks for watching.